Missing someone.
Hello my loves, how are you doing? If you're new here, karibu sana. I go by the name Vivian Odhiambo, aka Fashion Guru Kenya, aka mtoto wa Homa Bay County. This is for my vegan brothers and sisters. We're going to cook a mixture of rice and potatoes. We're going to add in carrots too. So ingredients are rice, potato, grated carrots, Rico cube, and an onion. Oh, and a tomato, just one tomato. Sufuria, you're going to put in some oil and onions. Remember, you're putting enough oil for both the potatoes and the rice. When the onions are golden brown, you're going to add in some potatoes and let them simmer for a little bit. Going to add in my potatoes. This is how I do it. People do it in so many different ways, but this is my way. I'm going to add in the potatoes, add in some salt, and then again I'm going to add in my Royco cube, or not, it's totally optional. I gave my potatoes 10 minutes to simmer before I add the carrots. Then finally I add the rice. This is where I'm going to add my 1 cup of rice, and because I added 1 cup of rice, I'm going to use the same cup and put in 2 cups of the same water. I'm going to put in 2 cups and a little bit because I don't like my warus and rice mixture to be too dry. I like them to be at least a little bit wet. I'm going to let it cook, and then when it's almost dry, we are going to put it under low heat and then cover it so that it can simmer under low heat.